What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I honestly don't even know if I'm gonna use this as a video. It's just nice out and we decided to go on a ride, get some food. So far has been starting good, but we'll see. I tried 2 times and both times it started. So far so good. Alright, so what's happening is that we're switching bikes pretty much. This one got air filter, exhaust tune. He's fully set up for drag. I don't want to get into it. Too much work has done on that bike. And he's on E85 right now too, so that'll be fun. Please don't drop my bike. I want to see you get on it, because this one is a tall bike.
From the other side.
Huh?
From the other side too.
Oh my god. Like barely on the bike. And it's GP shift. And this is not. So this is gonna be a mess. Literally a mess. Alright, start her. Let's see if she starts. He doesn't have mirrors or anything. Oh my god, this is so low. Look at me, the difference. I'm literally like half squatting on this bike. Ah man, I miss my BMWs.
How fast can this go? I know it's a BMW, but like, is it like 200 or something?
Yeah, it can get up there.
How much?
It's a liter bike. It's 1,000.
How many? How many cc?
It's 1,000.
2,000?
1,000. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I've seen these before. I wanted to get the MR.
Yeah.
1000.
That one is sick too.
Yeah, they're sick. I love them. They're awesome. Yeah.
You too, man. Have a good one. Ah, there we go. Nice. There's that Aprilia problem. Yeah, sometimes it's weird. You gotta give it a little bit of gas. But now we see a pattern. So if I start, oh my god. I don't know how he does it with this thing right here. Like, I feel like as soon as I lean, I'm gonna smack this thing. Bruh, I feel like I'm so low. This is so weird. I already feel that E85 difference. This thing is so quiet in comparison. Like, almost can't hear it. I can't lean it at all because it's lowered like 2 inches front and back. I would literally touch the floor. Oh, I was trying downshift and I upshifted instead. I'm so confused. I forgot how to shift. Regular shifting and switching back and forth is so weird. That's so bumpy here. Alright, let's pass this car and get some. This thing, yeah, it goes. Like, even in 6th gear. just gotta be in that kind of like above 6,000 RPM, and this thing just goes. Alright, let's do a little pull here. Third gear, not too bad. Let's try second gear now. It's so bumpy, that's crazy. I don't know if it's like the bike that's as this bumpy or... Nah, it's definitely the road. I just went on this lane, it's not as bad. It's just such a smooth, linear power. The thing about his bike is that he can actually take off in first gear because he's so low, and he has the straps. It's not strapped up right now, but it is pretty low. And it's also like pulled all the way back. It's not extended, but with the OEM, I guess, swing arm, you can still like kind of extend it more back to avoid it from coming up. So I want to try a first gear pull. I don't think I've ever done a first gear pull, because any leader bike first gear pull, especially if it's tuned and stuff like that, it's just gonna come like up like crazy. Yeah, that's nice. It feels so good like on the freeway. It's just like a straight line bullet. Like it doesn't want to lean at all. But when you're going straight, it just like cuts through the wind. It's nice because it's like very tame. It's not like the H2 where it's like very rowdy. This is very linear, like power and all that. That really does look really good on the road with the all black and the carbon fiber. Yeah, the only thing about it is the headlights. I know they updated them with the new ones, but the new daylights are like amazing. Oh, I can't go into the turn as fast because of how low this bike is. I like the BMW pops. That was loud. Oh, that was loud too. What the hell? Between two of these bikes. That's just, it's nice that I can just like, you know, go hard on it in any gear and it just like goes. That bike is so loud. It sounds too good though. Ah, my ankle. Ah. Ow. Alright, I did not expect it to be this loud. It's so low, it's so easy to move. Yeah, in comparison to this thing is so quiet.
Yeah. It's only loud when you get on it.
Yeah. I did not expect it to be that loud when I revved it.
It was loud as shit. Like it.
It's so smooth, like it's crazy. It's the only thing that I really like actually enjoyed, because that's the only thing that's different, because I rode Troy's, which is pretty much, you know, similar to this. I tried like taking off in first and it's like, that's nice. You can never do it on any leader bike. Usually like if you want to like take off in regular like height bikes, second and you go easy. This one first, you hit it and it just goes. I'm like, damn, that's nice.
All the way high. The shit shines on the high RPMs.
Yeah.
That's when she starts pulling you and keeps going and going.
Yeah, it's just so smooth. Like it's very, I mean, BMW that's so like linear, easy fast. How'd you like this one?
It is loud.
it is loud at idle than when you're riding it. When you get in first gear, you let the clutch go a little bit. It's not as loud. As soon as you pull in that clutch and let it just idle, oh my god.
Yeah.
I set up like 3 car alarms. Every time you pass, I pass.
Yeah, you revved it a little bit and it's like, yeah. This one is.
A lot of torque.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't really get on it. I got on it a little bit on the highway. It wobbled on
I don't know why. I guess no, it does wobble. Like when I hit it, it does wobble a little bit. It's definitely, huh? No, I like it like that, cause like I turn a lot and shit. So, yeah.
Mine is hard.
Yeah, I don't mind it.
Mine is
The little wobbles, it's exciting.
Yeah, my heart was beating a little fast.
But yeah, very, very different bikes. This thing looks sick from the side. From the front, the headlights, like when you were behind me and I was looking, I was like,
You gotta put the tint back on them.
yeah, I think if I,
If you tint it again, it would look a lot nicer.
yeah, tint this. I don't know, maybe this too, just black it out.
Black everything out, yeah.
I think it'll be,
You ride at night anyway, so.
yeah, it'll be cleaner.
That bike looks so tiny.
I,
Right? It seems tiny.
well, especially with me on it.
Yeah, like it looks so tiny. I'm like, oh, now I see what people are saying. It looks so low. It's not even strapped.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine how it looks strapped.
My God, it's 2 inches. Obviously, that's so low.
Like strapped, I'm like,
Yeah.
the 85 smell.
I know. I smelled it a lot, especially in the lot right here.
Yeah.
I was like, yep, I smell it. But yeah, it's crazy. I like that it always like has power. You definitely feel like the power. You know, even in 6th gear,
Yeah. Oh yeah. So
It's-
you get on it.
it still goes.
pulls you back.
Yeah. Their tune is so nice, like the Brent tune. It's just like so like smooth. Like even when you get on it in the start, it's not like, you know, like, oh shit, you gotta control. You can just go hard on it, and the bike just like it goes fast.
It's like a.
It's almost like a Tesla with an engine.
Yeah. Yeah. Literally.
You know?
It's nice, but it's actually like, it graduates. Like
Yeah.
It's just not gonna go up like crazy.
Yeah.
It's right in the borderline of you wheeling and not.
Yeah.
Even when it was normal height, it was still like I wouldn't wheelie that hard.
Perfect bike for racing and all that.
Yeah.
Because it's like, I feel like it's like hard to do rider air with that bike.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
My hand was hurting pulling your clutch in.
This one?
Maybe because I was pulling with 2 fingers.
Yeah, it's a shorty. From the side, it looks really clean. The all black with the little bit of carbon. It makes me want to get a little bit more carbon. But I don't know where.
Wheels? Ooh.
I really like the champagne color wheels on this one. I'm doing the carbon wheels for the V4. That's the bike though.
It's about
You hear the Hellcat? Yep. I heard the whine.
Yeah. Challenger?
Whee! I miss my Hellcat.
I don't. Turn the tractor control off. Turn it on. Let's see what he does.
Traumatized him a little bit with the Hellcat.
Woke up the whole neighborhood at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Alright, well, that's it. We just got some food, messing around. It's nice out. We tried his BMW, he tried the Aprilia. To be expected, it's like nothing new to either of us because we've tried like most of these things. But now you see why I'm gonna go deaf.
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't even get on. I was trying to like get you to like do a flyby or something. Yeah, that's why when I did this, I was like, come on, go.
I thought you wanted to see the bike from the side. That's why I like.
Well, that too, but I wanted to like hear it go. Yeah, this one, cause
That shit could pop so crazy.
yeah.
Crazy. Bike is loud. It is very loud.
Mm-hmm.
Like on the videos, they probably wouldn't even notice how loud the bike is.
You don't know unless you're like on it and you're like, oh, helmet is shaking.
Or you're behind it. You hear.
When you get on it and it's screaming, it's pretty loud too. Hope you guys had fun. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys next one. Bye.